In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank to QuickBooks and import transactions. By the end, you'll have your accounts linked and your recent activity flowing in, so you can categorize, reconcile, and stay on top of your finances with confidence. First, open QuickBooks and head to the left menu. Click on Accounting, then choose Bank Transactions from the drop-down. This is your main hub for bank feeds and where you'll manage all your imported activity. On the Bank Transactions page, look to the top right corner and select Link Account. This begins the secure connection process between QuickBooks and your bank. Next, use the search box to find your financial institution. Start typing the name and select it from the results list. If your bank has multiple connection options, pick the one that matches your online banking portal. You'll now be prompted to log into your bank. Enter your banking username and password exactly as you would on your bank's website. If your bank uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step by confirming the code or approval request. This verification helps ensure your connection is secure. QuickBooks only pulls read-only transaction data, so no money can be moved from here. Once authenticated, QuickBooks will show you the accounts it found, typically checking, savings, and any credit card accounts attached to your online banking. Choose the specific accounts you want to link to QuickBooks by ticking them. If you maintain separate books for different accounts, select only those that belong in this company file. When you're ready, click Connect to finalize the link. After the connection is made, QuickBooks will automatically import your recent transactions. You'll see them appear in your bank feed, ready for review. Take a moment to scan what's come in. From here, you can categorize each transaction to the right expense, income, or asset account, match them to existing records like invoices and bills, and add payees or memos for clarity. If a transaction already exists in QuickBooks, matching it instead of adding a new one will help you avoid duplicates. As you work through the feed, aim for clear, consistent categories so your reports and tax prep are accurate. Attach receipts where applicable, and use the description fields to capture useful details. When the feed is up to date, you can move on to reconciling the connected accounts against your bank statements, which confirms everything, and QuickBooks agrees with the bank. That's it. You've connected your bank, brought in your transactions, and you're ready to categorize and reconcile with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.